Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, is in Bitcoin. And this is actually a massive news, I believe. The second news will be that Bitcoin dominance is keep rising. The new target can be 63K. And the third news I would like to talk about that the Bitcoin volatility is actually lower now than 2017. And experts saying it will go down and down. Of course, it takes time, but this is now the new trend. So guys, all this in today's video. And don't forget, educate yourself with these videos, which I put on YouTube every weekday. The only thing you have to do really to subscribe to this YouTube channel, hit the bell button and then you're going to receive these videos as soon as they get on YouTube. And also please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you, subscribe, yes, but also hit the like button because, it shows YouTube that you like this kind of content and it helps to make these videos be more popular. And I have a totally free course for you if you're new to crypto, how to start to invest in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The link is right under this video, and there are other useful links. You should definitely check them out. And now let's look at the market, how it looks like. So yes, here we go. So Bitcoin right now at $51,922, which is a 1.5% increase in the last 24 hours. Ethereum actually doing a bit better now. At the present, $1,924, which is almost a 7% increase in 24 hours. Then we're looking at the top winners. We have Binance Coin, BNB up 41%, very nice. PancakeSwap 45%, Venus 35, Banker 30, and so on and so forth. Very, very nice gainers today again. When we're looking at the losers, by the way, then we have Energy Web Token as a leader with 5%, Dogecoin 5%, Bitcoin Gold 3%. So not big losers at all today, which is great. So it's again another green day. And now it's time to move on to the first news, which is all about that the BlackRock, the world's biggest asset manager, is in crypto. We can see now every day I have used that new institutions, asset managers, companies, investors, and the list goes on and on and on getting into crypto. And now the big news is that actually BlackRock has started to double in crypto, says the CIO. And, why is this very important? Well, first of all, BlackRock is the world's biggest asset manager. What they manage here is, as you can see, 8.6 trillion in asset under management. And just think about if these guys are saying that, okay, I put just a tiny little bit into crypto, from their money they manage, 8.6 trillion, I have to say it again, then it can push Bitcoin price very nicely. Rick Rieder, the chief investment officer at BlackRock Financial Management, hinted that the firm has already invested a percentage of its portfolio into crypto. So they actually in. They haven't announced actually how much and so on and so forth. This was just a hint. Holding some portion of, that's what he's also saying, that holding some portion of what you hold in cash in things like crypto seems to make some sense to me. So he's saying that actually now is the time, if you have some cash, for example, any fiat currency, US dollar as an example, it's losing its value. So basically, you have to diversify your portfolio and put it into assets which keep their value. And definitely crypto, in their opinion, it's one of them. I always say, never go like all in on these kind of things. No. What I'm saying is just think about it. and put some percentage. Again, not financial advice. This is actually what he's saying. And, Reader previously said that Bitcoin has a potential to take the place of gold to a large extent. We can see now that actually Bitcoin's market cap, when we're looking at, let's do a quick check. Look, it's reaching very close to 1 trillion US dollar. We're talking about 965 billion at the present. And then we're reaching 1 trillion. It's already 10% of gold. Okay. So he's saying it that we are just, we are not actually close to the end of the bull market. We will see what it will happen. But actually, it's really getting close to gold. Closer and closer, let's put it this way. But eventually, we will see how much. Okay, so the second thing I would like to talk about is that Bitcoin dominance is rising now. Therefore, the new target can be 63K. So again, these are the shifts on the market. We're shifting to Bitcoin, then we're shifting to altcoins, then back to Bitcoin and altcoin. All this thing is going on and on and on. It's kind of, you make money here, you make money there, you make money here, you make money there. And right now what we have is that Bitcoin price eyes 63K next as rising Bitcoin dominance, which actually puts altcoin at the risk. Of course, not forever. We're talking about at the present time when people pumping money into Bitcoin, which means then taking out the money of the altcoin market. Many people have made, a very nice gains in the recent weeks, as we have seen altcoins double, triple, and so on and so forth. So many of them think, okay, it's time to put my some of my profit into more stable, more secure, put it this way, more secure, stable is not a good word, more secure cryptocurrency. And this could be obviously Bitcoin, Ethereum, so the big guys. And so they move their money from the little alts now, and now Bitcoin is actually pumping with this. This rally could now extend to 63,000 US dollar. Meanwhile, altcoins are feeling some pain in their Bitcoin pairs as a result why Bitcoin dominance is growing back up. The primary question are if Bitcoin can sustain this run and if alts will drop in their Bitcoin pairs. And, now the critical area to watch is between 47,250 and 48,000. As long as this sustains to support, so this is the new support level, Bitcoin's price can continue running towards 54,000, 55,000. You can see here the key Fibonacci levels to watch for Bitcoin price. And the first was 1.618 Fibonacci level has been reached, while the second is at the 2.618 Fibonacci level. If the price of Bitcoin continues moving up, a rally 63,000 to 66,000 is on the table, as long as this kind of, between 47 and 47,750 holds, as previously, mentioned. So basically, this could be the new target for Bitcoin, but for that, we really have to hold this level, okay? So even if it's now Bitcoin, it will be now maybe a bit rejected and goes back. It should stay above 47,000 according to these levels, and that makes it more likely to come back and going up new all-time highs. And of course, meanwhile, if Bitcoin is being very dominant, then of course, altcoins are losing their dominance. But this will, of course, change back again. So when alts go down, not financial advice, but the good thing is, okay, you have picked your favorite ones, and then you now can enter, not when it's rolling up, when it actually goes down. And this will again change. When Bitcoin will go again sideways, there will be a new shiny day for alts, and then they will go up. But as you have seen at the beginning of the video, when we discussed the chart, how the whole market looks like, you could see that alts doing still very well. Many of them very nice gains. Okay, let's move on to the next news, which is all about that the Bitcoin volatility is actually lower now than back in 2017. Yes, Bitcoin volatility is always a question. People always saying it that, okay, it's too volatile and all these things. Yes, that's true. This is crypto market, how it looks like. Bitcoin, it's a very new currency. It just came out back in 2009 and nobody was serious about it back then. Over the years, it actually established itself and became bigger and bigger and stronger, and we way too early at the moment. But as we're getting bigger, it's, more big guys join the game. Its volatility actually can drop, which is actually very good for Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin volatility is already lower than back in 2017, why, the price smashed 51K. According to Bloomberg, the current run is different from 2017 bull run, that topped out below 20,000 in terms of volatility. Indeed, data from Ruble chart puts Bitcoin's 60 days volatility at 14.25%, significant decline from the over 32% recorded at the zenith of the 2017 bull run. Of course, we're talking about the peak there, but we're talking also about now that the price is 2.5 bigger than back then. So here we had a 32% at that time. Right now, when we're looking at the 60 days volatility, it's 14.25. So actually, this is actually pretty good. For Bloomberg strategist Mike McGlone, the current Bitcoin price swings are only temporary, with the market expected to calm down. According to McGlone, the growing institutional Bitcoin adoption will force Bitcoin volatility below even that of gold. And this is actually big words, because right now Bitcoin is way more volatile than actually gold, if you're looking at some charts. But this is what they predict, at least Mike. So yes, what we can see that the future, when more and more investors start to believe in Bitcoin, put money in Bitcoin, and keep money in Bitcoin, believing that, okay, it could be a great investment for the future. It's no that much move in and out, what it used to be. Then of course, this will slow down this whole kind of volatility. It will be actually slower. It will be and that would be actually great for Bitcoin. Not that much in making money, but thinking about it as a safe haven. And then there are a lot of altcoins. You still can, make money. They can, go up a lot. But if Bitcoin's volatility is actually slowing down, then actually more and more people will trust it. So this is the good part in it. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget, educate yourself. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Daily videos from Monday to Friday. The freshest cryptocurrency news here on Blockchain Blue. Also, like this video if you like the content and you would like to support the channel, because it will make the channel grow, definitely, if you like the video and also if you subscribe. And yes, check out the free stuff under the video, the free course, and there are nice links if you would like to get into things like Binance Exchange, for example. You want to get a crypto.com card and so on and so forth. You can get discount or get some free money. So worth to check out. And yes, tomorrow I'm coming back with the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news. I wish you an amazing day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.